Hey guys, welcome to PolkaMusic. In this video, we will be showcasing our submission for Polkadot Buildathon India. Along with me is Titus, and our other team members are Amit Dua, Pranshu, Suraj, and Prateek. And today we are showcasing our very own PolkaMusic blockchain that we have built for the Buildathon. So we have a live blockchain and we'll show you the CLI interface of the blockchain. Over here, as you can see, we have a live local node that's running. We will also be making this node live on a server so that you can access it. And this whole chain is specially created for the Buildathon. We can also see or access the chain through the block explorer in the browser. As you can see, we have 2,167 blocks right now. And along with that, we have the PolkaMusic front end that connects to the blockchain. So we have some business logic coded inside the substrate blockchain. So this is the PolkaMusic front end, the decentralized streaming platform. So the idea for our Buildathon submission is that when you stream a music on PolkaMusic decentralized streaming platform, you will be rewarded, or the user will be rewarded with an NFT. So the NFTs are visible on the left sidebar. You can see the NFT option. So that reveals the NFT section. And as you can see, this is a big PolkaMusic logo, and it's a jigsaw puzzle. We have three kinds of NFTs. Easy NFT, which is 16 in number. The medium ones are 8 in number, and the centerpiece over there, that's the hard NFT. Very difficult to get one. And or if you collect all of them, it completes the jigsaw puzzle. Each item or each puzzle piece is having a unique ID, so they are not interchangeable. And when you collect these NFTs, you are able to redeem something. So that's the utility behind these NFTs. So as you can see on the right side, we have the BMW, get a BMW M5 button active, and that corresponds to the hard NFT. So when you click on that, you can redeem a car, and the NFT gets burned. Similarly, if you have 8 NFTs complete in the medium section, and so if you have all the 8 NFTs, then you have met the criteria to get a concert ticket. The get a concert ticket button will be active, and you can click it and burn these medium NFTs, the 8 medium NFTs you have, and get a concert ticket. Similarly, you can get a coffee mug by burning 16 easy NFTs that is depicted in the last circle of this jigsaw puzzle. So now we will go back to the main page of PolkaMusic, and on the top right corner, you will see a drop down from where you can choose all the wallets that are available to you. So these wallets are coming from the Polka.js app, Polkadot.js app, which is similar to MetaMask on Ethereum. So right now, for the sake of this video, we are going to create a new account. So we'll say the mnemonic, and we'll give it a name, Polkadot India.
Okay.
So as you can see, the account was created, and we can go to the account section and when we give it a refresh, we will be able to see our new wallet that has been created and injected into our blockchain. So as you can see, it's visible on our front end as well as our block explorer. And now we will send some native tokens. We call it the PolM tokens, PolkaMusic. So we're going to send some native tokens. So we need native tokens for making some transactions, such as redeeming the NFT. So that requires some balance, some gas fee. So now we have the recent event section where you can see the transfer has been successful, and we'll revisit this section every time we make a transaction to see what's happening on the backend. So now we will go back to the, also we will check the balance of this newly created account, and we'll make sure that there's no NFT in this wallet. So you can see that the wallet is empty. And now we will go back to the PolkaMusic decentralized streaming platform, the dApp, and we will choose our wallet that is newly created, brand new, fresh, and we'll go back to the NFT section in the PolkaMusic front end. Choose the wallet again and go to the NFT section. And as you saw, there's no balance, and here as well, the whole jigsaw puzzle is white, blank, and now we will start earning. So we have certain criteria which will decide which kind of NFT you get. For the sake of this Buildathon, since we had to make a live demonstration, we have kept the criteria or the threshold very, very simple. So if you get 10, if you stream for 10 seconds, you get an easy NFT. If you stream for 20 seconds, you get a medium NFT. And if you stream for 30 seconds or more, you get a hard NFT. And now we will demonstrate. Of course, on the production version, it will be more complex. We will have some randomization. Even in this case, when you stream for 10 seconds, we're going to randomize on the backend and give you an NFT with a certain unique position. So in the outer circle, in the easy section, you might get a 1, and the next time you stream, you get the 7th piece or the 5th piece, and so on. So it's going to be random. So we are going to stream now and demonstrate the same. So we have a song that's lined up. That's Hope. So let's stream that and get some NFTs. So we'll stream it for about 10 seconds and pause it. So now we will see that an NFT has been minted. So E14, so that's the 14th position in the easy, and now it is transferred. So we actually waited for the block to be propagated and the NFT to be generated. And in the next block, we are transferring the NFT from our validator account to whoever has streamed, as you cannot mint and transfer in the same block. So you can see that in the block number 2242, we minted the NFT. And in the next block, we transferred from our Alice account, which is the validator account, to Polkadot India account, which we just created. We'll verify by going to the accounts in the block explorer. We go to the accounts. And we see that the NFT exists over here. And now we will go to the front end and we'll verify if we have got the NFT. Ideally, the jigsaw puzzle should glow. And there we go. We have an easy NFT that's glowing. It's in the 7th position. And now we can try to earn one more. Let's try earning one more easy NFT. And then we can go for a medium and then a hard. So let's stream again. So an easy NFT was minted again. And now we wait for it to be transferred. And it got transferred now in the next block. And we go back to the recent events in the blockchain. And as you can see, it was minted in 2260. And in the next block, which is 2261, it was transferred. So now we go back to PolkaMusic front end, and we give it a refresh. And as you can see, we have 2 NFTs now. Now let's try a medium NFT. So we can, as I told before, the criteria is 20 seconds. So that's medium NFT was minted, and let's wait for it to be transferred. And it has been transferred now. So we will verify by going to the recent events. And as you can see, 2270, it was minted. And in the next block, it got transferred. We'll go to the NFT balances within the block explorer and see if you have 3 NFTs. We should be having 3 NFTs here. And we have 3 NFTs, each with unique IDs. So now we go back to the PolkaMusic front end and give it a refresh. Let's choose our wallet again. And there we go, 3 NFTs. And next, we will get a hard NFT for which the criteria is 30 seconds of streaming time or the duration. And then we will verify it and then burn it by redeeming it for a BMW M5 car. So let's get that BMW M5.
Sorry.
We minted a medium again. Let's stream for more time. Also, these NFTs, a hard NFT was minted now based on the duration, and we will wait for the transfer. So we will go back to the recent events. So this is the hard NFT, and then you can see that on block number 2287, we minted a medium NFT by mistake. So due to the duration, so it acted as expected. And now we will go back to the balances. On the front end, we will
Balances.
Yeah. We should be having 5 NFTs. We have 5 NFTs. We will see it on the front end. Fine. So as expected, everything is working as expected here. So you can also see now that we are now eligible to get a BMW M5. The button is active because we have a hard NFT. And also on the top right corner, you can see that it is cleared. So now what we will do is click on the get a BMW M5. So this should give us a pop-up where it's asking us if we really want to burn this particular NFT. And once we click the redeem, we will actually burn the NFT. We have to sign a transaction. And at this point, you will need some gas fee, which is why we transfer some tokens initially when the account was created. And as you can see, the NFT has been claimed, and we should expect a BMW M5 to hypothetically drive to our house, and we will see in the Explorer. So what exactly has happened here in the recent events? So as you can see, the NFT was transferred from our account to Bob's stash, which is our burn account, burn address.
Temporary burn address.
So now we will go back to the our NFT jigsaw puzzle, and we should see that the NFT is missing, it's burnt, and
yes,
we have our BMW M5. Over here, we are also saving the stream reports in a MySQL database. And ideally, we also have a substrate off-chain worker that we were working on during this Buildathon. So the substrate off-chain worker would be pulling the data from the MySQL database and randomizing it on the blockchain before before transferring the NFTs to the people who deserve it. And this would happen every hour. Due to the time constraints, so we weren't able to complete the substrate off-chain worker part. And although the code is visible on GitHub, but we did have a backup, and whatever you have seen over here is from our backup. So we have a fully functional PolkaMusic player, which gives us which rewards us with NFTs and for streaming, and then we can also redeem something. That's a utility that is associated with these NFTs, and this should ideally, in a real world situation, should be encouraging people to stream more and more. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we will be seeing a better version of this in the production environment. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.